So I'm back with another super easy salad. I make this salad whenever there's fresh peaches and arugula in the market, and it usually helps to get rid of blue cheese, but if you don't like blue cheese, you can use crumbled goat cheese instead. So the ingredients that you're going to need for the salad: big bowl. You can make the dressing right in the bowl. I use this dressing all the time when I'm just like in a pinch and lazy. It's really easy. It's just a tablespoon of olive oil. So half of my little things. 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Literally a pea-sized little bit of organic mustard. If you really like mustard, you can add like a macadamia nut size, but literally like that much, not that much. It's just to give it like a hint of flavor. The same amount of sugar-free syrup. Usually you use honey in this recipe, but this is like 5-calorie agave stevia sweetener. So just a little bit. And then garlic, same amount of garlic as you used. Again, about that much, literally. And then you want to use about a tablespoon of chopped shallot if you have it. You can use red onion if you don't have shallot, but I find that the shallot just really kicks it up a notch. It's nice. So your dressing looks like that. Give it a little whisk. It smells super good. Add 1 sliced peach. I slice it like that. Stir the peaches all up so they get that luscious dressing all over them. I love this brand, Plenty. There is 0 pesticides, but they're not organic, but I really like their lettuce. I use their crispy lettuce all the time, but I saw they had arugula. So you just want kind of like a big handful, like 2 fists of arugula. Arugula is good with any kind of sweet fruit. You can also make a really good salad with arugula and orange, red wine vinegar and olive oil, same kind of a dressing, but with sliced oranges instead of peaches. That's pretty good. And then you got your blue cheese. It's really just for flavor. I like to do just a couple tablespoons of blue cheese. There's not much left, so I'm just gonna put it in. And then if you want, if you have Marcona almonds around, those are really good. They're kind of like cocktail almonds. Failing that, I use like a couple of tablespoons of slivered almonds or sliced almonds. You have to be careful with nuts because they're pretty high calorie. So use them more as a garnish. And then once you have your salad, just toss it with some tongs. Make sure the dressing gets all over everything. And that's it. Beautiful salad. Enjoy.